when you on that carnivore diet, you gonna want to eat 4 or 5 times a day because you're gonna stay hungry. Even you can eat all the meat you want, all the vegetables, you're gonna stay hungry. So let me say this. If you're doing that carnivore diet, the suggestion is that you're eating 5 times a day. Small meals, it doesn't matter how much you eat. You're gonna burn some stuff and you're gonna stay hungry because that's, for whatever reason, again, 4 hours is all it takes for your body to digest the meats. The issue comes when you throw in those carbohydrates. Now it's going to take longer. Okay, so if you're eating 5 times a day, you got a super hyper metabolism. You got your community is in there working, and they got all kind of factories set up in here so we can digest this meat. You can have a taste for sweets. The thing on that carnivore diet is to keep your carbohydrates down. All right. So when I was doing the carnivore diet, it was at that time, it was the Atkins diet. Well, basically I just ate a lot of meat. So what you want to do, I had to find some kind of substitutes. And there are these very low calorie popsicles that they had in the store. Like they had different flavors, orange and grape or whatever. And I buy a box of those, and you can eat several of those throughout the day and still stay within the carbohydrates. So these right here, the orange and cherry and grape, I keep a box of these so that if I have some kind of craving for sweets or anything like that, I would keep those in there and they would do me great. Then get you some of those if you're on that carnivore diet or, all meat diet or what have you, and then make sure you keep your greens in there. Now I need to get on these carbs because you can't see what's going on with their vessel. I've had people who will be in my face and go, you know what? I eat well. I eat plant-based diet. And I don't know what kind of plants you're eating, but your body said you're eating a lot of carbohydrates. It's going to show up right here. All right? So you can tell me all you want to. I need it to be made clear that your community speaks. You have a community within your body, and it's speaking loud and clear when I see this. Carbohydrates. That's what this is. So don't tell me it's the meats and no, you was mixing the carbohydrates with the meat. The meats wasn't the problem. It's the other stuff you put with the meats. Now the meat's gonna cause you some other physical ailments, but this right here, this carbohydrates. I just want to make that clear. So if anybody's coming with the, oh no, I'm gonna eat a plant-based, not okay, tell it to somebody who doesn't know.